Hey team, Coach Chris here. Today, we're going to be talking about baseball. Fact number 1, baseball games take at minimum about 3 hours long. That is just about the same as watching 2 whole movies. How long is that? Fact number 2, baseball players hit the baseball with a baseball bat. And if they hit it super long, all the way out of the park, that is called a home run. Fact number 3, when a player steps up to bat and he swings and misses, that is called a strike. If he swings and misses 3 times, that's 3 strikes and you're out. Fact number 4, there are 4 bases on a baseball field. First base, second base, third base, and home plate. Fact number 5, a baseball is about the size of an apple. Some baseball players can throw a baseball over 100 miles an hour. That is so fast. Other pitches are called a curveball, a slider, and a changeup. Those are some of my most favorite facts about baseball. I'll see you next time for more fun facts about sports.